guys, welcome to my channel, Today we are going to make elephant paste. What ingredients we need is here. We need an empty bottle, a cup, and a liquid, and a food color, yeast, a spoon, and something chemical, so dangerous. I'll play it. Okay guys, let's start the video. Let's do this experiment. First I have an empty bottle. See, it's not with water. Keep it, place it here. Then I'm using the help to pour this chemical. Dangerous chemical. Here there are. It's the dangerous chemicals before in cup. Just opening it, then pouring. Oh, thank you. Guys, please hold the bottle. Or what? I'm squeezing, guys, and come off. Food color. 1 second. Here.
In the water?
In the bottle.
Okay.
Guys, now to keep this. Yeast. I should take this spoon and take some yeast. Oh, 1 second. Now guys, now let's pour. Here's the cup. See what's it? Guys, let's mix it with warm water. Half cup.
Say again.
Okay. We'll take a half cup. This. See guys, hot. Guys, I need my dad helps. Problem. That's so hot for me. I'll hold it. Now I'm pouring it. Now let's mix it. 1 second. Just spoon. Yeah. Here and mix gently. Now guys, be careful. Look guys, it's coming slowly up. Still more close. It's almost close to it. Close to it, close. It's moving slowly. Guys, 1 second. That's good. Wow.
Keep your eyes far.
Guys, look. It's falling out. letting more in it. Look. Coming bubbles.
ಹತ್ತದಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್
It's getting more slime in it. Wow, look guys. It's so messy. It smells different. It's still coming out, guys. Let's pour some more of that. Super, guys. You can try at home and be careful. Use also your parents. Please press the button and subscribe to my channel. See more videos of what you can make this. It can not fall from the window. But it just only 6. 1 second, guys.